the understanding for Rios is that ano ba ang ginagawa ni Manny Pacquiao sa kanya? Kung bakit nakukuha ni Manny Pacquiao lahat ng mga round. And I think this boxing lesson that the Manny Pacquiao is showing is tremendous, and it's catching Rios off guard, frustrating him. Yung pressure plan ni Bam Bam Rios, hindi natin nakikita unravel sa fight so far.
Because of the speed and his predictability of Pacquiao, I don't think we expected Pacquiao to be moving this fast with that variety of punches.
I think they prepared more for the power punches. By the way, Rios is standing right there with a defense. He prepared for the power punches. Ayaw magpatumba. But I don't think he prepared at all for the speed and the angle production how Manny throws punches from angles.
That's a classic example of Manny's defensive move. And here's Manny paying off.
Rios keep saying he was not hurt, but his face is starting to show. Those punches that have accumulated from the first round, medyo nakikita na natin.
You talk about style, Mike, and you talk also about the intelligence. When and how to execute your fight plan. So far, it's Manny Pacquiao executing, both defensively and offensively.
Be careful what you ask for. Rios is apparently asking that Manny keeps on going. Maybe a ploy, maybe just to tell everybody that he's not hurt and he's just talked himself. But clearly, he's now being tagged with left-hand strings.
Bam Rios catching a lot of level from Manny Pacquiao. That side of the body of Bam Bam Rios is wide open para kay Manny.
But they want to see his red. Because he's so clear, you can see he's only hit the mask and he's not up yet.
Bam Bam Rios getting another warning from Gino Rodriguez. Crowd chanting Manny's name. Well, the scouting report on Bam Bam Rios is that yung kanyang panga made of granite, showing it right here. He's taken a lot of shots from Manny Pacquiao. Hindi pa siya bumabagsak.
So he has to go for the body because they don't see a body made of granite. That I feel not the same as Rios.
For both sides of the face of Rios, the cheek area is starting to pop. The left hand's connected to the right side of the face of Rios and the jab.